all the mentors were always available. Tanya ma'am, both Avleen ma'am, and even the peers I was learning with, they were very interactive. That actually brought out the creative person in me, and today I am doing my own thing now. So I think and basically as a community gave me a lot of confidence, to come out as a designer and start designing and helping clients. And we have recently, me and my partner, she's also an interior designer. So we have recently opened our own firm, interior design studio. Its name is Blend Spaces. We are not yet social, but we are still building and doing projects here in Delhi for now. So yeah, my friend helped me because she was already in interior design. You should look out for courses, and then through her I searched and came to Anne. And because of Anne, because of their learning and the process and the projects I got to do here, I understood, yeah, I can be a designer. This could be something that I wake up and I'm loving to do. I'm not stressed or I have to go to work, I have to sit on my laptop and work. It's just design that makes me happy. So yeah.
I guess in last year October, my friend who's also a partner now, we got a first opportunity. So I was just doing my portfolio, and that's when I got the first opportunity. It was a gym. It was a really new gym, and it was around 7,000 square feet. So I was really scared. I mean, I've never designed anything like that before. But then he was like, okay, let's do it. We can do it. So we both have started. So he executes and I design, and there are also people we hire to do certain things. That's how our firm has started. So the name, it's called Layakara Designs. So it's LK Designs, and we have done around 4 to 5 projects, and there's also one project that is under construction now, and there are other 2 projects that are currently in design phase. Yeah, so that's how we started.
Since I have started freelancing, I still count that as my own practice. Of course, freelancing is again not an easy journey. It was not an easy journey for me as well. So while I was learning in the Anne course, there were people around me saying, you are learning about these things. Are you even sure that will those things be relevant when you are out in the industry? I was like, yeah, it definitely will. And now that when I am working on the client projects, I am taking up be it design, execution, anything, I see how the tips shared by the mentors, my instructors, how they has been explaining how the entire design process, how I was learning in the course and how I've been using the correct application of those in the sector has been like a very smooth process for me. I didn't face now that I'm into the industry, how will I do that?
Because of I had a initial academic knowledge of civil engineering and little bit of experience, so probably I thought that it is the right time to get into this interior industry, because nowadays in Delhi everybody wants a good house. So that was my trigger point, and I somehow searched, googled it, came over here, joined this course, and I'm completely happy now.